Good morning. Alright, so today is the day of our first official windstorm of the fall. We're supposed to see gusts up to 55 today. Though from looking at radar this morning, it's looking like the worst of it is actually going to stay further to the east of us. It's literally being channeled down the open water by the mountains, which can lead to some really intense weather in that area and also some really cool effects. I posted a little short off of Radar Scope a little bit ago. You'll see how it kind of funnels down into that open area. That's the water, and on either side of that are mountains. So it's kind of cool to watch on radar, but can lead to some really, really, really intense and dangerous weather under all of that. Do still have to work today. Wow, that cloud's getting shredded. So I am not sure. Our internet at the job is not the fastest in the world, so not sure how that's gonna go. Little quick update on Hubby. His specialist appointment got moved up by a couple of weeks after going to see primary care, and there is still a possibility of getting moved up even further. So we're waiting and we're seeing. Thank you for all the prayers and support. Thank you to those who have donated to the GoFundMe. That has helped keep food on the table and gas in the tank. If you can't donate, or even especially if you do donate, I should put it that way, please at least share the link. Help me get the word out there. There have already been a couple of people that have thought it was a scam because nobody has ever heard of achalasia. I know I didn't. I had to Google it. So, but it is a very, very real disease. I'm gonna try and maybe potentially sweet talk Hubby into doing at least a short little video where he kind of hopefully will talk about how it feels to have achalasia, to give more of a first person point of view on it. I can't guarantee that'll happen because he is not really the type to be on camera. He never has. Doing the live streams with the fishing has helped a little bit, but he's still not really a big fan of it. So, kind of up in the air. I can say let's hope so, but I make no promises because I am not going to pressure him into doing it. If he doesn't want to, that's perfectly fine. I'm not that type of girl. Yeah, other than that, not a whole lot going on, so I will go ahead and hop off of here for now. I do like listening to my music before work. It has been helping. So y'all stay safe, stay blessed, stay weather aware. I know I will definitely be watching my radar like a hawk today. And I will catch you guys on the next one.